Hey guys, welcome back to RMA Garage. I'm Mark, and in this video we are going to need to do a repair. Well, we've been riding for a little while and my youngest son got cross-rutted the last time we went out and bent a radiator. So we're gonna have to assess the damage. It's really not that bad, but I'm hoping to fix it on the bike and not have to drain the fluid and take the radiator off and straighten it. So hopefully it won't be too bad. The body part is a little scratched up, and that's from regular wear and tear, but the only place where it kinked was right here when the radiator got pushed back, so we won't need to get a new body part. But if we put the body part up onto the bike where it's supposed to be, you can see that they don't line up. So this body part obviously was pushed back here when it broke, but in its natural place this has to come all the way out to here. So we have to take this whole radiator and basically pull it out this way. So I'm looking at this and it looks like that it bent at this bracket here, which is the guard, and it also bent on the factory bracket. I think that is where we have the issue. So you can see from this video, from this angle, that the radiator is twisted. So we have the faceplate off of the guard, and now you can really get a sense of how twisted it is. There's straight, and there is the bottom that is bent. So somehow we're going to have to bend all of these back into place and get it all lined up. And I think we've got it relatively straight. Looking at the bottom versus the top, looks like it's straight. So obviously we've got these bars that we're gonna have to push back into place, and looks like this needs to line up a little bit better. This tab might have bent a little bit when I was trying to adjust it. So that one might be able to bend that one back a little bit, but I think we're getting there. Definitely looking better. we forgot to put the radiator bolts that attach to the frame in before tightening up all of the other bolts. And we cannot get those holes to line up. So we're gonna have to loose everything back up and get those bolts started before we tighten up the faceplate. Live and learn. We have everything lined up except when we put the body panel on, this is still back a little bit too far this way. So instead of taking it all apart and trying to do it individually, we are going to take a strap and see if we can just bend it back into place. Well, we got the radiator back together. It's not 100% perfect, but it is rideable, and that's what we do here. What else can I say? It was a struggle. This was not easy, even though it seemed like it was easy. The bolts didn't line up, the screws didn't line up, and the body panel isn't perfect. But we've been riding this thing for a long time, and it probably at this point will never be perfect. Appreciate you guys watching. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe button. Don't forget to click the bell so you won't miss our next episode. And that's probably going to be a fork seal clean, because I just noticed the fork seals on here are leaking a little bit, not too bad. But we're going to clean the fork seals on this bike. So check back soon. Appreciate you guys watching. Talk to you soon.